And now for something completely different. Okay, you know that I know that you know that I know that we know that I know that Mr. Piggle knows. We usually review computers and related video games on this channel. But today, inspired by Zombie Andy, who very kindly wrote my music for me, we're going to review something a little different. And why are we going to review something completely different? Well, because I think that this device, for the money you pay for it, you're getting an absolute bargain, and I'd like to point it out to those people who may be a little bit skinned but want something like this. I think you're going to be very pleased with this article. And this article is, it says here on the manual, the KSP970 Alpha 61 key keyboard from PowerPlay. Now let me tell you a little story. It's not bedtime yet, so don't worry. Well, as you may know, I've told you a few times already, Zombie Andy redid all the music that you hear playing now. They did the outro and the intro music too, so all the music is by Zombie Andy. And he's been showing me around his synths on his channel, so if you're interested in synthesizers, go to his channel now and have a look. And this got me thinking, I've been for a while about, because I play slightly the piano, not a particularly brilliant standard, but I thought, well, you know, I'll start up, play my piano, and perhaps in the future acquire a synthesizer when we're in a better financial situation to get one. So we thought, well, at present we're not going to be able to afford one, so we'll just wait, and down the line we'll get one. Then we walked into Asda in Durham, to be exact if anybody knows it, at the Arneson Centre, Asda Living. And we saw, lying on the floor, a keyboard, and they said above it, ready for this, £18.45. £18.45. That's about $30. And our first reaction was, what the hell? And we looked at it, thought, well, that's big. It was still in this box, just picture. So I dragged it out, thought, well, it must have mini keys. It's not going to be full-size keys at that price. And worked it out, and true to form, full-size keys, synthesizer, obviously limited because it was only £18.45. And there you go. We took it straight away. So, what are you getting for your £18.45? Is it any good? Well, sitting over there, let's have a look. So, when we buy this thing, what does our £18.45 get us? Well, it gets you a box, but this is just a synthesizer, so I'm not interested in the box because it's just the usual serious thing with a synthesizer. You get the synthesizer itself, you get a power adapter. This is only £18.45. You even get, which is wrapped away in here, a music stand which fits into the back of it, but we don't need that, so put that away for now. So what you are getting is 61 full-size keys, which on this one work. I did have another one, but some of the keys didn't work and they replaced it, and that works fine, so end of argument. But it's full polyphonic as well, so you can actually play it like that, like a proper one. So it's, well, it is a proper one, but there we go, just a very cheap proper one. Anyway, right, so it's got volume, it's got one key, one in, so you can run a demo and it plays the demo along with you pressing a key. So basically it makes you look like you're playing the demo. Program, which means you can program a sequence of these in. Just turn the volume up on it. It's got percussions there, you can program a sequence of them in and play them back. Record, you can record, you start playing, it'll play back. This is all for £18.45p, not to forget. Got transpose, it's got different chord modes, single, finger. If you don't know what these are, then go and see Andy's channel, he'll explain it to you, because I ain't got time in this one. Right, so you got finger, you got drum fill-ins. Right, let's try to put it on single finger. There's your chord progression, so that's C chord progression. Okay. And you've got different forms, you've got sustain, so that if you press a key, the sustain on, it will hold it, goes with it off. There we go. There you got different chords, so that's basic. Chord 2, slightly different, chord 3, chord 4. They're not the most imaginative of musical progressions I've ever heard, but you know, not exactly paying a fortune for this. 50. Try something different, I don't know. Okay. Okay, stop. Stop. Right, back to normal keyboard. Okay, so you got them and you got the chords off. You got the drums, the start stop. Funky beat there, boy. Oh yeah, eat my funky beat. Keypad here, rhythm selector, tempo selector, ACC. Oh, that's to change the volume of the drums in the background. Tone, which is your instruments, and 2 different demo modes. Let's play a demo. Go on. Demo 1, what shall we have? Well, Mozart, go. Like that. Okay, and right, it's got 100 rhythms you can choose from, 100 instruments, and 10 demo songs. Now, £18.45. Remember that. Instruments, well, a lot of them, I would say, there's not a lot of variation between them, and many of them do sound the same. For example, that's a keyboard. Fair enough. Decent sound. This is an English horn, which to me sounds nothing like an English horn, even with sustain on. But for what it is, you know, it's good. £18.45. I ain't arguing with the variety of voices on here. It doesn't have MIDI, it has headphones, and you can plug a microphone in and sing along with it. It has twin speakers, which, to be honest, are very good. It goes very loud as well, so there we go. That's my telephone interfering with it. £18.45, Asda, which in America is Walmart. That's the Power Play keyboard, and I will sure be learning myself to play the piano again on that, using free lessons off the internet and perhaps a few YouTube videos. So, thought I'd show you that because it's an absolute bargain, and I can't believe you can get something like that for so little pennies. Thank you very much, and also while I'm here, remember to check out Zombie Andy channel. And I'd like to know, well, I'm working on a maths program on the BBC, as some of you do know. Those that follow me on Twitter will know that I'm doing a maths program on the BBC, and I'd be interested to know if anybody would like me to do a program on that and how it's progressing. And coming up at Christmas time, if this is after Christmas you're watching this, don't bother because you're screwed because these videos are already out. But we have some excellent console reviews coming out for some consoles that many of you do not know exist. and of course the hard drive being fitted to the BBC. So they should be fun. In the meantime, let me know if you want to see that program, and if you see one of these and you're skint, or you just fancy a twiddle with a keyboard, get it now. Thank you very much.